In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Moonshot's customer support or customer service team. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so the best way to do this is to open up your Moonshot app. Then from here, we want to click onto the gear icon, top right-hand corner of the page. And if we scroll down, we got Support Center. So go ahead and click on Support Center. And then it will say, hi tutorial, how can we help? They're obviously going to say your name. So what we can do is click on where it says send us a message. At this point in time, you can only message Moonshot. I've checked if there's any phone numbers available, but I can't find any. If you can find any numbers that actually go through to Moonshot, just can you leave a comment in the description or so in the comments below. So yeah, the best way is just to send them a message like so. And then go general questions and say, hey, I would like to speak to one of your customer support or customer service team members. And what the AI bot here, they'll go ahead and redirect your message to that particular person.